Did you know that over 80% of photographers believe that color grading can make or break their images? Yeah, it's that important. Today we are diving into the world of color grading, what it is, why it's super crucial for enhancing your images, and how you can totally steal the color grading from any image you admire using Photoshop. Sounds fun, right? So let's get started. First, open two images in Photoshop. The first image from which you will copy color grading and the second to which you want to copy. I will copy color grading from this to this. Click on File, Export, Save for Web. This will open saving the image for the web window, but you just need to take 3 or 5 main colors from this image. So, click on Preset and choose GIF. Then in colors change the number to 3 or 5. I will select 5. Don't use more than 5, it won't work well, just believe me. Here are the extracted colors. Now you have to save the color table as I do it. You don't need this photo anymore, so click cancel and go to your main image. Now you have to transfer these colors into the gradient map and open it. Also, you will need swatches. Go to the window and hit swatches. Now you need to import our colors. Click here and import swatches. Go to the place where you saved them, but you don't see anything, right? Just change swatches to color table here and click load. It will display as a folder, open it and you can see saved colors. Now single click here to open Gradient Editor. Click on the slider, click on the color, pick one color, and remember the brightness of this color right here. Press OK, and now raise the brightness in location. Do the same with the remaining colors. Now change the blend mode to soft light and if needed decrease opacity. You're excited, but wait. There is a much easier way to do it. Disable the gradient map and choose background. Now all you need to do is filter Neural Filters. Photoshop opens the Neural Filters panel. Pick the color transfer enabled here, go to Customs and select the image from which you want to steal colors. You can choose from which place of photo you want colors. Attention! Here must be chosen New Layer. Press OK. Now blend mode to soft light and change the opacity, you remember. So to wrap things up, today we tackled some super handy techniques for color grading using Photoshop. We discussed how to extract colors and apply them to your own images, transforming them from drab to fab. Remember, mastering color grading can really elevate your photography game, making your images stand out in a crowded space. But if you want to be a professional in Photoshop, you must know all about Camera Raw. If you don't, then check out this video. Happy shooting!